Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm gonna just get my planner ready for September. So you're gonna see this layout done, and we'll just kind of have fun creating our planners together this month. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. We are working on September's layout today, and I am using the Illustrated Faith Collection Kit, $16 on DaySpring. But I love the fact that they put something on the back so I can use this as paper. But then I was looking at the front and I was like, man, I could use that too. Normally I would think that I would throw this away, but I'm not going to because it's super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And what I want to do first is just kind of eyeball really where I'm going to cut. I think I'm going to cut this section out right here, and just use my scissors, or I could use a trimmer too. That would work fine. So there we go, trimmed it out. Looks like it goes good there. And I think what I want to do is I'm going to just tape it in there real quickly, but I'm not going to leave it there because I want to trim off the edge of it too. So I'm just going to get it lined up where I think I want it. Put a little piece of washi tape down and then flip it over so that now I know where I need to cut again. Because I want to make this have the little tab. See, that has a little tab here. The paper is made like that. So I just want to make sure I have that down. And then what I want to do is just take my pen or pencil, either one will work, and then just kind of do a quick little outline here. Just so I know where I need to cut. And I might come in with a trimmer to make these lines really sharp. Or my scissors will work fine. Maybe I'll just do the scissors, it'll be faster. No need to get the trimmer out. Peel it up really carefully. Peel the washi tape up really carefully too. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a rip there because I wasn't paying attention. Boo, that's okay, I can fix that. Grab just a little bit of glue. Dab of glue, little dab of glue. Glue fixes everything. Now you can't even tell. Alright, so I'm going to come in with my scissors, and just cut out that notch. Maybe it's called a notch. Okay, so now it should fit pretty nicely there. But if it doesn't, I can come trim it in a minute. So let me go ahead and just tape that down. I am loving the new Illustrated Faith Beloved Society collection by DaySpring. So I'm going to place this down. This should work. Let's see how good I am at placing it down. Ah, not too bad. Little bit off there. That's okay, I'm not going to worry about it. But what a great way to reuse something that I would normally throw away, which is this side. So the fact that they put this exclusive bonus pattern on there was what drove me to use it. I was just going to use it here and there in the page. But then I saw that it had this on the front, and I was like, man, that's a great thing to do. I could use that. And then I have it, and woohoo, right? Yay, I don't have to, I can use some of the paper that I would normally not use. Okay, let's add some washi tape to this. Of course, I love this washi tape. I think I had a piece just a minute ago that I might be perfect here. Nope, it'll go good here. So I'm gonna just put a little piece of washi tape there. Okay, and then I can throw that little piece away. Ooh, be careful. Go ahead and put that across the edge as well. And I'm going to bring that all the way to the end, because why not? Super cute. Then I wanted to use these. Now, the sticker booklet is really good for your planner as well. I used all of the little blocks for some bookmarks that I was making because it was super fast and easy, but I can see why those bookmarks would be really great. Those the little squares would have been great for my planner, but nah, didn't use it, so oh well. I'm going to come in with some of these little cute banners. Oh, National Day of Encouragement. Did you know? Did you know there was a National Day of Encouragement? I think I need to banner that one so that we know. So I'm going to just take a little the banners right here. I'm going to push a banner down there. National Day of Encouragement, I think, deserves its little block here. Little rectangle I'm going to add there. And I just think it needs a little more than that. So fun to kind of look through all your things and decide what you want to use. I'm going to do the little girl here. And I'm so glad that you're here planning along with me. Getting our month all ready to go for September. There we go. Those are great stickers because they do really stick well. I got my little girl here. A little beloved society girl. She's just going to stick and layer right there. I think she's supportive during National Encouragement Day. Alright. We've got Grandparents' Day that we don't want to forget either, so I'm going to put a little girl over there as well. Same kind of layout with a little bit of splash of color for the layering of the background. And Grandma right here. Try to put her so I can see the letters as well. And I think grandmothers are very gentle. Okay, I want to do one more girl on this page, but I haven't decided if I want to use this ephemera. I think just having one, at least another one on this page would be super cute. So this is called auditioning. I like to audition my pieces. And that is just a matter of taking little pieces together and placing them down where I want them to go until you find something that you like. See how easy that can be? I want to use all of my stash this month. I don't want to have any extras. I'm going to hang that off a little bit. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. I have to pull it up really carefully. I didn't want to cover, I don't mind covering October, but I didn't want to cover August too much. So, alright, cool. That looks cute. It's a little bit warped that I pull it up, but that's okay. It'll flatten out, no worries. I'm going to add her as well because she's adorable. All the beloved society girls are super cute. And she's beautiful inside. Oh, I want to use that one for my Bible journal. Oh, it's so difficult. No, I'm going to use it here. That way I can stare at it all month long. Okay, I didn't get enough tape on the L. Just going to add a little bit of a glue, and this is just old Stampin' Up! Adhesive glue, but you can get glue pens anywhere. I love it. Okay, a little bit more important days. Oh, we have Labor Day coming up. Oh, Labor Day will be awesome. But before I get to Labor Day, I'm thinking I want to do this little flower. It's been calling my name for a while since I got it, so I want to pull it off of its backing here. It takes a little bit sometimes to get them off, and I'm really careful when I pull mine off because I don't want to rip the stamp. That would not be good. Although I've never ripped a stamp before, so I don't know why I feel like I might rip a stamp. So if you've ever ripped a polyphotomer stamp before, let me know. I'm curious. I've never ripped one before, but I wonder if I'm not careful, will I? So let me know if you've ever ripped one. Okay? That would be really helpful to know, like, that it's worth it to be really careful, or maybe I can just rip it off. I don't know. So I just took an eraser to condition the stamp to allow it to receive ink, and I'm going to come in here and just use some archival ink. And I'm not going to worry too much about, am I getting it perfect? Does it look great? Nobody cares. This is my planner. Of course I say that, and then I come in with my stamp. That's perfectionist. Gotta move on. Don't be a perfectionist, Trace. Just get it down. Otherwise you'll be here forever. Just pat, pat, pat. I'm gonna do a little bit right. Ooh, what about if we did some over here? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna do one over there. Except for I'm gonna put a little something down so I can stamp off the paper. Boop, just like that. I like. Do you? So far so good, right? I'm gonna do a couple more of these cute little flowers, little doodle flowers. Maybe I'll do one right here. And then I'll do one off the page. These would be really cute in chalk ink. I should have grabbed some chalk ink, but that's all right. There, off the page. I like that. We've got a little trio of 3 there. Super cute. We have got the first day of fall coming up in September as well. So let's do a little bit of celebration on the first day of fall. So I'm just do a little bit of color there, just to kind of highlight that as something that's important to look at. So cute. One heart there. Maybe I layer some hearts. Oh, so cute. What do we do? Right? Can't stop. Gotta keep going. Alright. We've also got Labor Day. So I'm going to do a little heart by Labor Day. Celebration. We can take a day off. Right? And we've got Patriot Day. Thank you so much if you are someone who served in our military or supported someone who served in our military. Thank you so much for your service. It's so important. I come from a military family. There's apparently Pole Day here, which I have no idea what Pole Day is. So if you know what Pole Day is, let me know in the comments. I'll do a little bit of hexagons here because how can I not? They're so super adorable. I don't know what to do with myself. Sometimes I do not know what to do with myself. Welcome to Planning with Tracy. This is what it looks like. No, that's taking away from my girl. I almost put the heart there, but then I felt like we were taking away from her and I didn't want to do that. So I'm thinking a little heart, splash of color over here with that heart. I could literally go on. I mean, you could spend a lot of time and a lot of product just decorating your planner. And I got Gracious overlaying on top of that. So is there anything else I want to do? I also feel like I want to pop one of these girls out just to kind of give her a little dimension. So I'm just going to grab some of this foam mounting tape. I buy it from the dollar store. You can get foam mounting tape at any craft supply store. But I get mine from the dollar store. And this pack lasts forever. It is photo safe and acid free. So I don't worry about it. Plus it's in my planner. So I don't really keep my planners too long. There we go. So she's kind of popped out a little bit, and I feel like she needs just something else as well. Yeah, I like that little tab that says this girl. So cute. I'm good. Like, I feel like the only other thing I would do is just come in with some maybe pens or something. Do a little bit of a little mark making here just to kind of give me something to look at and think of. Do maybe a couple crosses. Some dots. Why not? Add a little bit of color to the background. Just using, this is just a Tombow pen. You can use anything that you have. You don't have to buy special Tombow pens. I just have them because I do a lot of card making and was coloring a lot with them, and my art journaling. Alright, I'm happy, I'm in love with this layout. So with that, we're gonna call September's layout ready to go. And now I can enter in any special dates and things here. But I hope that this video was helpful to you and that you like and subscribe to this channel. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.